Hello heroes, this is How to GoPro channel. The most essential question is how to choose microSD card for capturing 4K. As we know, there are a lot of devices to record a 4K, such as action cameras, drones and smartphones. You should take into account that 4K twice larger than Full HD. It's a reason to get a powerful microSD card. Every card has next features: write speed, read speed, capacity and brand name. Let's talk about everyone to get know how to choose microSD card. The main feature of microSD card is write speed. The write speed determines how long it takes to save or write your footage from your device to microSD card. There are three kinds of video speed classifications: speed class, UHS speed class and video speed class. Speed class is designated as class 2, 4, 6 and 10. And UHS speed class is designated as UHS speed class 1 or UHS speed class 3. Video speed class is designated as V10, V30, V60 and V90. This indicates the minimum sustained write speed necessary for video recording, so that minimum and constant speed is guaranteed for camcorders and cameras. Higher class rated card supports high bit rates of video and higher quality video recording. That's why you should use U3 or V30 cards at least during recording 4K. In the other case, there may be issues such as dropped frames, recording error and added noise. Let's make some maths explanation. As we know, U1 cards have sustained write speed 10 MB per second or 80 megabits per second. And U3 cards have sustained write speed 30 MB per second on 240 megabits per second. At first view, U1 speed class is enough for recording 4K if footage bitrate less than 78 megabits per second. But simple math doesn't work accurately. You should take into account that devices allowed to do multi-file recording. As example, multiply video streams, audio, GPS location, timestamps and other additional info. In conclusion, a card with U3 speed class is all you need to get the highest quality footage and avoid any issues during recording. Next feature is read speed. The read speed determines how long it takes to transfer your footage from your microSD card to your computer or laptop. When you're transferring your footage to your computer, you will be able to create your video faster using the highest speed card. If that is truly important to you, then invest a few more bucks in your card. In my opinion, a card with U3 write speed class has adequate read speed. The third and quite important feature is capacity of a card. There are three kinds of cards: microSD up to 2 GB, microSD HC up to 32 GB and microSD XC up to 256 GB. Every device has different specifications, so before purchasing a card you should find out the maximum card's capacity, which your device can support. Moreover, while recording 4K, your footage takes a lot of space. For example, it's possible to record about 2 hours of 4K footage using 64 GB microSD card. Take into account that bitrate of a video is about 60 megabits per second and codec is H.264. It depends on the situation, but in my opinion, you shouldn't buy a card which having capacity less than 64 GB. The last feature of a card is a brand name. The first important thing that your card mustn't be a fake. Before purchasing, be sure that the seller trades real cards. The next, you should find out the recommendations of device manufacturer. In my opinion, SanDisk produces reliable cards. I prefer to use them and must say that they are working for a long time. Lexar is reliable too, but it's so expensive. It's time to take into consideration all mentioned above. You have better to use a card with U3 speed class to avoid any issues and get the highest quality. The capacity must be higher than 64 GB and not exceed a manufacturer constraint. Be sure that the card you are going to buy is not a fake. That's all heroes. If you are buying on Amazon, please use my links. It will help me to create more videos. Please leave a like and subscribe for get more. See you soon.